Alright everyone, let's have a go at this Davis tension assembly. See if we can get Muriel back on track. It's all enclosed, but it's really just a standard assembly. But there's a pin inside, so it can only go basically one full turn to the left or to the right. If you take this screw right here and loosen this up, that'll let the outer knurled assembly move separate from that middle piece. You just unscrew that. It's just a knob. Get rid of him. The middle piece has that locator pin on it, so that it can really only turn just one turn. And that comes loose. And that screw on the side just locks those together so that they have to go together. When you loosen that up, that'll let you hold this and make the gross adjustments if you needed to move the whole range up or down. So that's that piece. Inside, it's just a standard beehive spring, and the inside of the cup has that pin that stops this piece, so it goes all the way around until it hits the pin, then you turn it all the way around the other way till it hits the pin, and it just has a little cross piece in the middle, and then you've got just two standard tension discs on the back. Not too fancy. So you install this with the mark up, put that in the slot, put the beehive in, put this one in, just so that it isn't hitting the pin in the back. Screw this in, hold the middle piece, screw it in so it's just about flush, is pretty close, and make that be all the way over. Tighten the screw back down. Just make it snug. That's all there is to it. When it's all the way out, it should be just about flush with the end of the post. And it just goes back and forth. Give that a try.